Hi and welcome to CIB TV. As you can see, we're in the middle of load shedding, but I'm here to take away your load shedding blues. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Matt.
And I'm Zain, and with me I've got DEWALT's new DCL079 work light. So this may look like a rocket launcher, but in fact this is DEWALT's new LED tripod work light. How bright is this thing, Matt?
Well, Zain, it is very bright. It's got 3000 lumens. But that's not all. The light also has got a swivel head that swivels up to 180 degrees. You can also dim the light when you find that it's too bright in the room. It extends at 2.6 meters, and using a 9 amp hour battery, it will run for 5 hours.
5 hours of runtime is enough to cover any load shedding window. Of course, the main application is for construction, whether you're working indoors or outdoors, but the number of uses for this light are endless. You could use it in outdoors, even as an emergency or security light. I may need one for my next trip to the bush.
Yeah, well, I may need one when I'm doing, let's say, a date night during load shedding.
Whatever suits you. You can either buy it as a bare unit, or we sell it as a kit, which includes one 6 amp hour battery and a charger. Don't forget to check out the links in the description of this video. You'll be able to get all the details on the website.
For those of you that like the video, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe, and we'll see you on our next one.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I got this ticket out of town. It'll take me anywhere but down.